Honesty is like a mirror, it reflects your true self. It builds trust, the foundation of every strong relationship. Honesty saves you from the burden of lies. It shows courage to speak the truth even when it's hard. Honesty brings peace of mind, knowing you did the right thing. It earns respect from others and yourself. Honesty is a valuable trait in both personal and professional life. It sets a good example for those around you. Honesty leads you Honesty leads to a clear conscience, free from guilt. It makes you a better person inside and out.